Alright, y'all, we are packing up. We're about to leave the hotel. But check this out real quick. See this water bottle? The hotel water bottle? This is the 21C hotel, by the way. This water bottle is made by Personalized Bottle Water, which is my uncle's business. So when I go to the warehouse to pick up a pallet of ingredients for the keto bricks, that's the warehouse where the water bottles are made. So pretty cool. 21C hotel, using my uncle's water bottle. I used to label these. That's what I did for all of my work when I was a kid. Growing up in high school, I'd come back, work there during the summers, and label water bottles. You like the hotel, babe?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You get a good night's sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Love you.
Love you too.
Why so cute? So this hotel is right next to this art museum here. So the hotel kind of also doubles as an art museum. And they've got all kinds of crazy stuff in here.
I like this wall. Those are all pennies.
Pennies. They're all
That's so
pennies.
cool.
Alright, y'all, just met with the accountant. Crystal and I talked with him for like an hour and 15 minutes or so. All the numbers looking good, everything's solid. Keto Brick is growing, Keto Savage is growing. Life is good. We're about to get some coffee right now at Starbucks and work on clients, work on emails, and publish a YouTube video.
No, but it's gonna come last no matter what.
How was your coffee, babe?
It was really good. It was a little bit hard because I had to make it a fatty coffee and I had to add oil to it and it sits on the top and I don't enjoy that. Because Robert forgot my little mixer.
I didn't forget the little mixer. She asked me to grab two things and I grabbed two things and not the mixer.
So dark.
So dark? Oh well.
Nope, that's just gonna be dark.
That's just how it is. Alright, y'all. Just got done at the bank. Opened up another business bank account for Live Savage Apparel. So we've got a separate business bank account for that. And then I opened up another business account for some other ventures that I'm going to talk to y'all about in another video. But we're getting organized, got the taxes worked on, got the banking situation worked on. Now we're going to go work on our chest and our shoulders. Alright, y'all, we're about to work out at our old gym, Ozark Iron Gym here in Northwest Arkansas. About to crash some chest and shoulders. Get ready.
We run it like an offense, and we gon' run it till we have a big man coming big pop.
Alright, y'all, workout in the books.
I smacked myself in my head with my hair.
Alright, y'all, workout in the books. What do you think, Crystal?
Good.
Good?
I miss this gym.
Good being back. Got my chest and shoulders all swole right now.
Yeah, my chest is like super sore.
Super swole.
Super fatigued.
Super pumped. Alright, let's go to Rush Running and get my gait analyzed.
Alright, if you'll have a seat, I'll do your other foot too. Alright. Awesome. So you're at a 9 on both feet. The ultras. And then we've also got some shoes that have a really low drop, but most of them are anywhere from 8 to 12 millimeters.
And I don't know how to run, if that makes sense. I don't have like a natural thing, because I've tried doing like the midfoot, I've tried doing the forefoot, like I don't know what my natural body would gravitate towards.
He's been trying to do like a little bit of everything just to figure out how to do it correctly.
And I'm looking at all,
I mean,
I'm
everyone
watching
knows how to
so
run,
many
but,
YouTube
you know,
videos on form and technique.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know. I mean,
Yeah,
you tell
I
me
would
what I'm
say-
doing wrong.
Just do it, whatever you naturally do.
Right. Just see.
What kind of speed you want me at?
Just whatever you normally jog at. Alright, you can hit stop. Way to do it's just kind of the way that people are made, and they make shoes to kind of help certain aspects of that, and some shoes to stay away from if you've got certain things going on. But yeah, so heel strike, totally normal. We see that the most of anything. But because of that, shoes with extra cushion back there I think would be a really good option. And then the next thing, like you were mentioning, that overpronation, we'll be able to see that on here as well. So this right foot.
Yeah, right foot especially.
Yeah.
All
you can
kinds
tell.
of janky.
So that line, the gray line on the back of the shoe, is going to fall a little bit to the inside, you can tell. Slanting there. Same thing on this left foot. Not quite as bad, but still a little bit of motion there. So yeah, I think a little bit of support in your shoes is going to help correct that. So support's a big thing. And I think you're lacking right now. That would be really good. And then cushion as well. So those ultras, I'm sure, have cushion in them, like you said, just not.
Yeah, it's not any like.
Look at them shoes.
Going with the Brooks running shoes. What they call the Brooks Adrenaline? The Brooks Adrenaline.
It's really dark in here.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to test out the new Brooks running shoes. This is an old loop that I used to run when I went to college up here. So I'm about to run it. Hold my hat, Crystal. Let's get after it.
Look at that bod.
Yeah, buddy.
That's not a runner's body.
No, not at all.
Dang, you got lean.
What are you talking about?
You look lean.
No, I
Them
don't.
abs.
Alright, that's enough. Alright, y'all, run is complete. Ran 5 point something miles. Pretty good. The shoes held up good. I felt like there's a little chafing on my heel, so I'm gonna take a look at that. See that? That's blood.
Oh.
Right there. It's blood.
Does everyone want to see that?
Zoom in on that. Yeah, zoom in on that. See that? Little blister
Dedication.
action. It's weird. I felt something was like not right, but I guess that's what it was. So
breaking in the brand new shoes.
breaking in the brand new shoes. You got to break them in. All right, we're gonna go to Wright's Barbecue, which is the best barbecue in the state of Arkansas, and we'll see y'all there. All right, y'all, we are here, and as is true with any good barbecue joint, there's a line out the door and cars everywhere because this place is the bomb diggity. Of course. Here we are, Wright's Barbecue. We got the real deal right here. All right, boom, y'all. Check it out. We got the fatty brisket. They had barbecue prime rib. Crystal got a 1.5 pound fatty brisket. You gotta love it. All right, y'all. So my good friend David Frazier, who's been on the podcast, been on the YouTube videos, helped him put up this shop. He's kind of like en route to Tulsa, Oklahoma, so I stopped by his place after the barbecue. We're gonna shoot the bow. He got a bow like 3 weeks before I got a bow, so we were thinking similarly. He's a master blacksmith. He's an awesome dude. He's making all kinds of cool projects right now. This being a case in point, and he's a better shot than me. Wait, what is yours again?
It's Matthews Vertex.
Matthews Vertex. We got the truck set up there and a target. We're about to start hammering these arrows. Yeah, buddy. All right, Joe, we are at the lodge. This is like this cool little lodge thing. I don't know if you want to see that, but it's like a normal hotel. There's even like a pool table. And then we all have these little rooms within the lodge. So here's our room. Bathroom. So, kind of cool. Let me close the door here. But basically, I don't really know what to expect with this. There's going to be like a hike tomorrow, jiu-jitsu tomorrow, all kinds of cool and exciting things. So it's midnight right now. We're gonna grab a quick shower and go to bed because we're both tired. You tired, babe? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go to bed. We'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll try and get some real cool footage of this conference because again, I don't really know what it's gonna entail at all, but it should be pretty good. So I'm excited. See you then.